begin to take some deeper breaths, in through your nose if you can. And make your exhale longer than your inhale. Slow your exhale down. If you're feeling any tension right now, it might feel like you're breathing very high up in the body, at the top of your lungs. Or you might even be feeling it around your shoulders. And so, as we breathe in and out, wherever you feel that you're breathing, begin to bring the breath a little lower down in the body. Feel that breath moving lower in the chest, down to the center of your body, and gradually, as you feel able, bring that breath down into your belly. There's no rush. Breathing in and breathing out. If it feels good, you might choose to place one hand on your belly so you can feel it begin to rise and fall as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Take your time. Every exhale is a chance to release, to let go, to soften a little bit more. Feel your body gently expanding as you breathe in, and feel everything relax as you breathe out. Continue like this, at your own pace, feeling the calming rhythm of your breath lower down in the body. And now let's do a simple body scan. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensations you can feel in your feet. Any strong sensations or any subtle sensations. You can always wiggle your toes a little bit to help you tune in to your feet. And then pass your attention up to your legs. Notice any sensations in your legs. Just notice what you find. Pass your attention up to your belly and to your chest. Notice any sensations you can feel. Just notice them. There's no need to do anything. Nothing to change. Nothing to do. Then pass your attention through your shoulders and down into your arms. And slowly, all the way down into your hands. And then pass your attention back up your arms, through your shoulders, and into your neck and head. Notice any sensations you can feel without any judgment, just accepting whatever you find. And now pass your attention up through your body once more, quickly or slowly. Just notice what you feel. Now for a little while, just notice your whole body resting here. Notice any sensations you can feel. And just let them be exactly as they are. You're doing good. Stay with me for just a few more minutes. And now I invite you to repeat some positive words after me, either in your head, as a whisper, or out loud. Let's begin. I am here, in this moment. My breath flows in, and my breath flows out. I accept everything that's arising in this moment. In this moment, all is well. I am grounded. I am relaxed. I am at peace. Once more. I am here, in this moment. My breath flows in, and my breath flows out. I accept everything that's arising in this moment. In this moment, all is well. I am grounded. I am relaxed. I am at peace. For the final part of this meditation, rest in the stillness. Take this moment for yourself. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm sending you peace. I'm sending you love. And I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.